What's up guys, welcome back to another surf gear review. Today I'm reviewing these fins. These are the Matt Banting MB1 Pro Model fins from Shaper's Fins. They are the FCS1. I'm still old school, so most people ride the FCS2s these days, but I'm still killing it with the FCS1s. Okay, so let's get down to business here. Let's open up this pack and just see what we get here with these fins. The first thing you notice when you open the pack is a key. This key is to do up the fins and also undo the fins. So in, out, that's the fins. Now when you open the pack, you notice you have some very pretty green honeycomb carbon fiber fins. You got the nice fancy pants Matt Banting signature here. These are the 3-phase flex pattern by Shapers. Okay? So these are actually made by people who shape things. Surfboards, fins, they're shapers. The name says it all. Shapers. So these fins, yes, I guarantee you, you put these in your surfboard, go out in the lineup, instantly you will shred. You will be Matt Banting. You're going to be so good that you're just not going to believe it, that you actually turn into Matt Banting with these fins. And, I mean, you want to go a step further? Get a Slater Designs board for like $5 million, put these fins in it, and you're going to be Matt Slater. You're going to be the biggest ripper in the lineup, guaranteed. I'm just putting that out there. Just do it. Just trust me. You're going to rip. Okay, so we get 1, 2, 3 fins. See, I ride 3 fins, no twin fin. I'm not a hipster, so I'm just gonna keep it real with the 3 fins here, guys. And what else? I mean, are these fins gonna be good for you? I mean, they're a pro model fin. They're gonna be great for anyone. Obviously because they're a pro model, and if they're pro model, that means they're the best. But if you want to get down to the technicalities here of these fins, I don't know if you can see this, but you want to be 65 to 80 kilograms, which is 145 to 175 pounds. Okay? You're going to get drive, flex, release, and pivot from these fins. You're going to get everything you need, and it's all rated. So, like, you can tell you're going to get how much drive in terms of how many white dots are here, how much flex, obviously, in the terms of dots, and the pivot. You know, it's not a real big pivot. It says tight arc, so if you like doing tight arcs, I mean, match made in heaven right here with these bad boys. And of course they're the hybrid series, So basically, I'm gonna surf, you know, overhead, medium to bigger size waves with these fins. They are a medium size fin, but I'm kind of a small guy, and to me they're kind of a bigger fin. Matt Banting also is a pretty big guy, so I don't know if he even rides this size. He probably rides a larger fin. Who knows? But I will be riding these fins medium to larger surf. They will be a little tighter for me, or a little bit bigger than what I would normally ride in smaller waves. So, where should you go and buy these fins? Probably not from Shapers. I don't know, maybe they're super expensive. I'd go on eBay or Amazon or one of those places. You know, save yourself some dollars. That's what I would do. So yeah, go out and get yourself some of these fins. Actually, just get any fins that are pro model, because you know you're gonna rip if you get those fins. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like, subscribe, and go and shred. You! Some people stand in the